Hello! After you've learned alphabet, you think you know how to read. But today I'm gonna surprise you a little bit because some of the Russian letters they don't read as they write written. And today we're gonna look at those examples and those variations of pronouncing Russian letters. Let's start with vowels. Basically, Russian vowels a, ye, ya can sound like e in some words, like часы, весна, мясной. Russian o is usually read like a if it is not in the emphasis of the word. Молоко, молоко. Here you hear that malako, ko is the emphasis of the. So in this case you actually hear o, but with those parts when you don't emphasize the o, or if it's not like the word from another language, like pianino, or even here, but some words from the other language, if we borrow them from French, you will hear the o still. Cacao, cacao. Okay, so you hear o in the end, even if it's not on the emphasis of the word. Usually you read like a, молоко. It's something in between actually o and a, молоко, молоко, молоко. And one more thing. When you see letters ya, yo, you, ye, if there is no hard sign before them, you don't really hear the y sound of that ya, yo, you, ye, but you hear that the consonant before the sound, the vowel, becomes soft. M, v, s, l, v, t, d. And then you hear the pair of that vowel. With ya you hear a, with yo you hear o, with you hear u, with ye you hear e. Examples. Мясо, 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 мясо. Все, вс, о, все. Люди, уди, уди, люди. Весло, 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 весло. Okay? And you always read like that if you see those vowels. You make the consonant soft and then you read a pairing vowel. A little bit more on the consonant soft. So we have 4 types of consonants in Russian language. As I already told you, there is hard and soft. And letters ya, yo, you, ye, and e, and soft sign, мягкий знак, make letters soft before them. And other letters, they keep the consonant as it is. But there is option that g becomes k, and b becomes p, and d becomes t. It happens because we have voiced and unvoiced, voiceless consonants in Russian. Here you, on the left, you see the pairings. So b and p, g, k, d, t, v, f, z, s, j, sh. If you just try to notice and experience the way you pronounce those consonants, you will realize that the difference between these voiced and voiceless consonants is that you put a different amount of air through your mouth. But actually the mouth movement is the same for b and p, g and k, d and t, v and f. So sometimes b becomes p, g becomes k, z becomes s, especially in the ends of the words. And here also you can see consonants L, M, and R. They always are voiced, and consonants H, C, Ch, Sh as well, if you don't pair it with J, is always unvoiced. So this is all I wanted to tell you about today's class, and yeah, keep on learning, have fun. Thank you. Give me a like, subscribe, and all this stuff. If you like my lessons, of course. If you don't, hate me.